feed your skin with the most well-known and well-researched skincare ingredients. Vitamin C. It is a strong antioxidant that not just combats dark spots, but also helps in preventing melanin production. Tea tree oil, because of its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, it deters acne breakouts and blackheads. Grapeseed oil contains pigmented dark spots and scars, lighten dark circles, tighten and hydrate the skin. And saffron. Thanks to its rich vitamin content, it not only lightens the skin tone but also improves and reduces hyperpigmentation. Your beauty is real, not an imagination. Rediscover yourself with NatureNova Herbals Anti-Blemish and Brightening Serum for radiant skin. Don't miss it. For more details, please visit our website www.naturenovaherbals.com. Link is given in the description. Thank you.